guys. So this is my Leetcode solving section 643 maximum average subarray. So this question is easy. I'll give you a consider an integer and find the contiguous subarray of length k. That the maximum average value are you needed to and you need to somehow return the maximum average value. So for k equals to 4, the answer is you need to take the continuous 4 array. So the answer is this. Okay, so the average is 12.7. And this problem is easy because first you can take this one. So you can see this is as a seed, and you compute the average. You compute the sum of them, and after that you compute this. But remember that you don't have to compute. You don't have to sum this all. You just use the first and add the next one 50 and minus 1. So you see every time you just take your original number, then add the next one, and then minus the first one. Okay. So once you know that, then it's very easy. We first define star to be 0. Okay, and the initial seed is just star and star to k. So this is the first section. So for example, in this case, the first section is this. Then I define answer to be a. So answer is what we want to print. Then for I in range, remember that it is length minus k because we already use k of element. Then we just minus the next one, minus the previous one, and add the next one. Then if a is larger than answer, then we just replace this a to be the answer, because what we need to want is the answer to be the maximum. Then after that, the star just add 1. Star just add 1. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So and then finally we return answer divided by k. Answer divided by k. Okay. Okay, I think you guys knows about. So you see the time is very it's still fast, and this is basically linear time, and there's only one memory because only this answer number is keep changing. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.